Hey guys, it is GuideHacks and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your all Facebook photos at once. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open Facebook and go to your profile. Here we can see add to story, edit profile and 3 dots. And we need to tap on 3 dots. Here we can see a lot of alternatives and we need to find activity log and press on it. There are a lot of options here. For example, you can delete your posts, tags and interactions and others. But if you want to delete your posts, you need to click on manage your posts. And here we can see, for example, I can choose 1 or 2 or more if you have more posts and delete them, but we can click on all and choose them all and then click on recycle bin and these photos will be moved to bin. I hope I helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.